Hello, I'm Danielle, the Community Resilience Coordinator here at Bothell through AmeriCorps. Today we'll be talking about emergency preparedness. So what do you want to have in a disaster supply kit? You want water and food, a mess kit, a communication plan, a first aid kit, toolkit, any unique family needs, weather-appropriate supplies, and reference materials, important documents, and financial information. Do you have pets? If you have pets, they will need supplies as well. Here are some items you would want to include. You would want food and water, warmth and comfort, pet identification and emergency information, sanitation, leash, harness, and a carrier. It is important to have a kit before a disaster hits. Local officials may not get to your area immediately, so you need to have supplies to get you through until then. If you have to leave your home, you won't have time to shop or search for supplies. Having a bag ready for disaster will make it easier for you to go when in a hurry. Having an out-of-area contact is a good idea for you and your family to have. After a disaster, your family contact can share information with other household members in the event you get separated. Think and discuss with your family and friends an evacuation plan. If a disaster or emergency strikes, do you know how to exit your home? You should have 2 exits out of each room. What would you take with you? Person, pet, and your go bag. Where would you go? One place should be close to your home, and the other meeting place should be outside of your local area. How would you get there? Are you going to be walking, taking the bus, driving, or biking? Look at alternative transportation and routes. What you can do right now to be better prepared is sign up for the free community notification system Code Red. With this, you will get alerts about potential emergency information that may impact your area. Don't wait, sign up today at Code Red web or look for the Emergency Alerts tab on the City of Bothell's Emergency Preparedness page. For more information and guides on emergency preparedness, you can go to ready.gov or bothellwa.gov/emergency preparedness.